Hello everyone. It's our first birding vlog on this channel, and we are going to Sukhna Lake today, along with Saketri fields beside Sukhna. तो मैं अपने घर से निकला 5:30 और सुखना लेक पहुंचा 6:15 और मुझे वहां मिलना था हमारे सीनियर बर्डर मिस्टर ललित मोहन बंसल सर से, जिनके साथ ही मैं सुखना लेक पर बर्डिंग करने जा रहा था। एंड इट्स ऑलमोस्ट सनराइज एंड वी होप कि आज हमें कुछ अच्छा मिले। After meeting Sir at Sukhna Lake regulator end, we moved towards Saketri, which is a good hotspot for birds after Sukhna Lake, where one can find several species like this one. This is a cute little Indian robin male who is dancing its tail. उसी के तुरंत बाद एक छोटा सा प्यारा सा लॉन्ग टेल श्राइक हमें एक वुड ब्लॉक पर दिखा, which then perched upon a sarkanda. Then we were able to encounter a beautiful oriental magpie robin female. After recording and capturing few little birdies, we headed toward the Saketri pond, जहां आपको आराम से सैंडपाइपर्स, वैगटेल्स इन विंटर्स, स्वॉलोज और काफ़ी कुछ मिल सकता है। जैसे हमें सबसे पहले तार पर बैठी ये ब्राउन थ्रोटेड स्वॉलो दिख गई। उसके बाद हमने कुछ वायर टेल्ड स्वॉलोज देखी, जिसकी टेल बिल्कुल वायर जैसी है। देन वी सॉ अ वेरी कॉमन रेजिडेंट बर्ड, रेड वेंटेड बुलबुल, which is very common in our backyards. Later that we saw few prinias, sparrows and etc. Though the birding activity was very less, but the morning was quite peaceful. Then this beautiful spotted dove came up and perched upon the wire. It is known as spotted dove because it has spots on its back and neck. उसके बाद चारों तरफ हमें गोरैये अर्थात हाउस स्पैरोज दिख रही थी। उनके छोटे छोटे नन्हे नन्हे चिक्स बहुत क्यूट थे, जैसे ये। आफ्टर वॉचिंग सम स्टिल्स एंड रेड वाटर लैपविंग, वी सॉ दिस येलो थ्रोटेड स्पैरो एंड ए वाइट थ्रोटेड किंगफिशर टू, which is being very noisy these days because she is displaying the courtship display. Okay, so before आगे बढ़ने से पहले मैं एक छोटा सा डिफरेंस बताना चाहूँगा ये येलो थ्रोटेड स्पैरो और हाउस स्पैरो के फीमेल के बीच में, बिकॉज बोथ आर वेरी सिमिलर। मेन डिफरेंस यही है कि येलो थ्रोटेड स्पैरो के थ्रोट पर एक येलो सी लाइन होती है और हाउस स्पैरो के हेड के ऊपर, बस। इसी तरह कंफ्यूजिंग बर्ड्स हमारी स्पॉटेड डव और लाफिंग डव भी है, बिकॉज स्पॉटेड डव के पास स्पॉट्स हैं, वेयर एज लाफिंग डव के पास नहीं है, और बोथ आर ऑफ पिंक कलर। देन दिस लिटिल क्यूट पेंटेड लेडी स्टार्टेड शोइंग हर विंग्स। Later we encountered a purple sunbird. Can anyone guess what he is saying? This magnificent male gave us very beautiful and close shots as he was busy sucking nectar from the lantana flowers. Then on the same bush, a little cute common ashy prinia also came up and perched on the top of the bush. See how sneak peek games prinia plays. Then again the purple sunbird called us again to click his pictures. See this little cutie, how beautiful he is. और इसके नीले रंग Aha. Due to non-stop construction activity and mining, birds have affected a lot. Their population has declined. Clearing of scrub and light forests, including broken, undulating landscapes all around us for agricultural and housing purposes, has caused a lot of breeding and foreign habitat. ਇਹ ਆ ਗਈ ਸਾਡੀ ਲਾਫਿੰਗ ਡਵ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੂਗੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ 'ਚ. I noticed a huge increase in the population of yellow-throated sparrows in Saketri, where we try to find them at Sisma Dam and Jayanti and Morne Hills, but they are fairly present in Saketri fields too. Saketri is a satisfactory hotspot that never disappoints. Not far, always pleasures. That's all I need. But there was something that you always find. It is always full of surprises, with new lifers or the resident ones, but with good shots. Actually, Saketri has rich long reeds and barren and fallow land, long weed beside roads. That's why this offers a glimpse into the avian diversity and avifauna of the region. We have a lot of species of babblers found in Saketri, that is jungle babbler, common babbler, yellow-eyed babbler और लार्ज ग्रे बैबलर. उसके बाद हम सुखना लेक के लिए रवाना हुए क्या? It's approximately less than 1 kilometer from Saketri to Sukhna Lake. Actually, Sukhna Lake is the largest lake after Dhanas, New Lake and many others in the whole Tri-City because its catchment is the largest wetland system in Chandigarh region. Its surroundings have seen an increase in wetland cover over the last decade. That's why it has few species of birds too.
लगता था मोटे माजरा ही आते हैं.
नहीं
मैं देखा कि मोटे माजरा, ये गार्गने नहीं देखी थी ये
लेक पे.
हाँ, ये भी सॉरी 16 इकट्ठी. पहले 4 दिखी मेरे को एक दिन.
वही ना, मोटे माजरा का फिर साइज छोटा है. ये तो फिर इतनी बड़ी लेक है.
दूर के शॉट्स आते हैं यहाँ पे, अदरवाइज
रिकॉर्ड शॉट के लिए तो बहुत बढ़िया है.
नहीं सॉरी, बहुत बर्ड्स खींचे हैं. वो उस दिन वाइड है वो सेट, देखो 6.
अच्छा हाँ,
देखी थी मैं कहा यार, मैं कहा इसको, ये मैंने छतबीड़ खींची थी जाकर.
अच्छा. After reaching Sukhna Lake regulator end, we were able to see white-browed wagtail, Indian spot-bellied duck, white-breasted waterhen, and few more species. Although these all are resident and very common in city. Firstly, we saw this pair of white-breasted waterhen in the water. Then common manas, jungle babblers, house crows, and Indian cormorant. These all are very common. Birding is a very interesting hobby, and it can be turned into a profession too. It can be boring too, it can be disappointing too, but these wetland systems are home to large variety of migratory waterfowl which include duck, geese, waders in winters and offer breeding grounds to resident species. After capturing the Chappu Wale in the lake, we moved in the lake nature trail backside of the regulator end. So from the backside we entered and started walking through the nature jungle trail. Indian pond heron is the most common herons from the 5 types found in Chandigarh. Later, we also saw the black crowned night heron, which are very frequently seen at lake. They are usually found near the margins of lakes and marshes. Don't get confused between the two, both are different. The left one is the Indian pond heron and right one is the black crowned night heron juvenile. I know most of pictures were miles from being perfect, but they were oozing with flavor and aroma of the joy and delight which we had tasted that day. Since it's the first video, we want your support and love so that we can make more vlogs of birding and birds in and around Chandigarh. So please subscribe. Thank you. The common Indian spot-bellied ducks. There are birds around us everywhere, some living in the parks, gardens, near our homes, and some even sharing spaces with us in the heart of the city, just like house sparrows. Hamari Goraiya. It just takes a little curiosity to identify and know a little cute birdie. More about these direct descents of the dinosaurs and develop a green hobby that can give you a lifetime peace for free. अरे यार मैं भी क्या लेक्चर सुनाने लग गया. Okay, so these boards for helping visitors and people coming in the jungle trail is being installed by the forest department of Chandigarh, which can help the people to for identification of birds, just like this one, common pochard. Okay, so this is also a very common member of the cormorant family, Indian cormorant or Indian shag, which can be frequently seen on the lake. Okay, ललित सर बुला रहे हैं, देखिए ने क्या दिखा. Okay, Indian spot bellied ducks. Wow, 4 in 1 frame. See how they are roaming and walking themselves in water in row. But what I have seen, रौनक का लेक पे हमेशा ही रहती है. Someone's doing running, someone's doing jogging, someone's doing birding, birding and birding. Never ends. The passion which carries on its way is usual now. बस एक इसको देख लो, वाइट थ्रोटेड किंगफिशर. वैसे अपने रोज दर्शन देगी, जिस दिन व्लॉग बनाना हुआ उस दिन इतना गंदा शॉट दिया. After having a very good birding session with Lalit sir, we both enjoyed the birding vlog. Birding session. Hope you also must have enjoyed this first ever birding vlog on our channel. Till then, keep watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so that you can notified every time when we upload a new vlog. It's just a very humble request. Please like the video if you liked it. Kindly share with your friends and your birder friends so that they can also know about Sukhna, Saketri and their wildlife. Thanks for watching this video.